Okay, I have me another garden toy. Putting together an elevated raised bed that I got off of Temu from the company called Out Sunny. It's gonna look nice. Still have some pieces to put together, but soon I'll be able to have the elevated raised bed together, add soil, add some more plants over in this area, and I have a new garden bed to plant in Big Mama's garden. One that I don't have to bend over in. It's gonna look nice. I like this green color too. Okay, I have my elevated raised bed put together. Looking nice. Yes, you are. Got a little rack at the bottom. And it has some fabric, weed barrier fabric that I can line the bed with. And it has all kind of holes, drainage holes, where the water will be able to drain out without any problem. Looks nice. It looks very sturdy. Got this crisscross metal beam going across to give it more support. Okay, let me go ahead and put my lining in and then add my soil. My new elevated raised bed. Okay, I have the liner inside the elevated raised bed. Got it pinned to the side until I get the soil in here that's gonna hold it down in place. Let me get ready to move it in the spot where I want it to go. And let me add the soil to it. Looks nice. Have it set up in the area I want it to be placed in. Now I'm getting ready to add the soil. Have one more elevated raised bed that's coming in, and I'm gonna put it in this space here. Looks nice. Okay, I have my elevated raised bed together now. I sowed some more broccoli and some Brussels sprouts in this bed. Come on, grow in abundance for us. I don't have to bend over. Just stand up here and put my hand all up in the bed. Don't have to lean over, bend on my knees or anything. Elevated raised beds are great.